Hey, what's up guys, it's me Kiran back again with another video. So today I'm going to talk about operating system, specifically Android operating system under mobile platform. Every year tons of smartphones are launching across the globe, so people are just confused which one is the best one. So after watching this video you can just differentiate many phones in terms of software. So I'll talk about stock Android and custom Android operating system. What are those and what are the benefits of having stock Android and custom Android? What are the disadvantages of having stock Android and custom Android? So after watching this video you can easily differentiate which one is best for you according to your usage. So guys, let me just quickly overview this flowchart. So operating system is divided into two platforms. One is the PC platform, another one is the mobile platform. Under PC platform we have Windows operating system, we have Mac OS operating system used in Apple devices, and the Ubuntu operating system, which is a Linux based operating system. So these operating systems are based on GUI. GUI stands for Graphical User Interface. So earlier we used to have an operating system called MS-DOS operating system from Microsoft. So this type of operating system is called as command line interface. This is not used generally right now, but the latest Windows, Mac OS, Ubuntu, that is based on Graphical User Interface. So Ubuntu operating system comes under Linux distribution. Under Linux distribution we have many operating systems like MintOS, Kali Linux, specifically used for hacking, and under Linux we'll be having so many distributions. I'm not going to talk about those things. When it comes to mobile platform, iOS and Android, these two are popular operating system currently. Earlier we used to have a Windows, but the service is stopped. In future we may use Fuchsia operating system, which is currently in the developing stage by the Google, or it may replace Android operating system. So guys, now I'll explain you stock OS and custom OS, so watch this video till end. So guys, I picked up some devices which is running on custom OS and the one which is running on latest stock Android operating system. So guys, at first I'll explain you what is a stock Android operating system, what are the advantages and disadvantages of having a stock OS operating system. So guys, this is Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1, which is running on Android Pie operating system, which is the latest Android operating system. So this type of operating system is called as stock user interface or stock Android operating system, where you get minute features with clean and simple user interface. The best thing about stock Android operating system is the Android security patch updates and Android version updates. As you can see, this device is running on latest Android version Android Pie. So guys, now I'll explain you what is a stock Android operating system. So what the mobile manufacturer companies will do is they directly buy the software Android operating system from the Google and they just simply flash it in your device. The clean and simplified user interface, what you are seeing on the screen, is called a stock Android operating system. It is free from latency or lagness and it is well optimized with the software and the hardware, and that's all about the stock OS. So this type of operating system, the stock user interface, will not have so many features like inbuilt app lock or inbuilt screen recording or dual space. Those features are not provided. So this is clean and simple user interface, and it is very smooth and easy to use. So guys, now let's talk about the advantages of having a stock Android operating system. So the best thing about stock Android operating system is you will get the Android version updates up to 3 years according to your brand, and that's the beauty of having a stock Android operating system. And one more most essential thing is Android security patch updates, which is very essential for any Android device because Android market share is more when compared to iOS operating system. So hackers will try to hack Android devices. So Android security patch update is very essential. So currently this device is running on May 1st, 2019 Android security patch. And one must think about operating system Android security patch update before buying a device. Coming to disadvantages, you will not get inbuilt features like app lock, inbuilt app lock or dual apps, inbuilt screen recording and one hand mode. So these type of features you will not get in stock Android devices. Well, that's the only disadvantages. So guys, now let's talk about custom Android operating system. So this is Realme C1. This is currently running on Android version Oreo, and on top of it, it has a ColorOS version 5.2.1. So guys, what is a custom Android operating system? So what the mobile manufacturer companies will do is they purchase the Android OS from the Google and they develop a own user interface on top of Android operating system. So they implement their own UI on top of Android operating system in order to differentiate their device in the with other devices in the market. So I'll talk about the features that will be provided in custom Android operating system. So that type of operating system is called as custom Android operating system. So guys, this is Realme C1 and this is running on custom Android operating system. So this custom Android operating system name is ColorOS. So this has many features. For example, a game space where you can just reduce the frame drops while gaming, and you have a assistive ball where you can just quickly navigate your home screen, and you can just quickly switch between the apps, and you can get into recent apps tray. And you also have a feature of smart driving. When you just turn on, you will block all the notifications and all your calls while driving, so it's just a protection while driving. So this feature is also provided in ColorOS version. And there are many features like you have a smart sidebar where you can just quickly navigate your home screen while doing any operation, and these features are provided. So but the Android version is just Oreo, still running in Oreo. I didn't get any updates to Pi. And you also have a feature of hiding your navigation bar. You can just go to smart and convenient, and from there you can just hide your navigation keys. You can use the gestures in order to switch between the apps, in order to get into recent apps tray, and many more. And in this custom OS, you will also have a inbuilt screen recording feature, and those are some features which I explained in this ColorOS version. So guys, this is another device which is running on custom Android operating system, and at the end I'll talk about advantages and disadvantages of having a custom Android device. And this is Xiaomi Redmi Note 4, and this is currently running on Android Nougat. You can see the Android version is still Nougat, and on top of it, it has a custom OS version MIUI 10.2.1. Android security patch for this device is 112/2018, which is very old, and I still didn't get any update. And talking about the feature of this custom-rom MIUI is you will get all the features what you are expecting. You will have the quick ball feature which I explained earlier in the custom-rom ColorOS, where you can just navigate your home screen and recent apps tray with that feature. And you have a notification light. You can just customize the color of the notification light while calling or while notification. And you have a one more feature called inbuilt screen recording that also provided. And you have a one hand mode where you can just use your home screen with your one hand, and you can just simply change the settings. And you have headphones and audio effects where you can just enhance the performance of audio, or you can just adjust the bass and treble. And you also have a feature of theme store, where you can apply any theme whatever you want. You can just customize the home screen, the notification panel, all those things. Well guys, that's all about the features of having a custom Android device. I explained very few features. And talking about the advantages of having a custom Android device is you will get all the features, all the inbuilt features whatever you're expecting. You will get inbuilt app lock feature, you will get inbuilt screen recording, and no need to install any third-party applications, or no need to install any alternate apps from the Play Store. Talking about the disadvantages of custom UI is you will not get updates regularly. What I mean is Android security patch update, Android version updates, which is very essential for any Android device, which I told you earlier why it is very essential, that you will not get regularly to the devices which are running on custom Android operating system. So guys, I quickly summarize this topic. Stock Android operating system is the operating system which you get directly from the Google. No modifications, no customization are done to that operating system. That type of operating system is called as stock Android operating system. On the other hand, custom Android operating system means the OS which is customized. What the mobile manufacturer companies will do is they buy the software Android operating system from the Google, and they will add some inbuilt features which I shown you earlier in this video. So that type of operating system which is customized is called as custom Android operating system. So guys, if you need more features, go with the device which runs on custom Android operating system like Xiaomi, OnePlus, Oppo, Realme. These devices which runs on custom OS, you can go with it. But you have to keep in mind that Android version updates, which is essential, you will not get it regularly. You have to compromise it. But if you want a clean and simplified user interface, go with stock Android operating system. The best thing is you will get Android updates, which is very essential. That's it for now guys, thanks for watching. I hope you understood what I explained in this video. If you still have any doubts, let me know in the comment section below. Probably I will try to explain it over there. And this is your Kiran signing off. Catch you guys in my next video.